Hello, all. Myself, Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as assistant professor in computer engineering department of AI systems IIT, and I'm here to introduce about the cryptographic techniques. So we'll see the different techniques of cryptographic one by one. So we'll see what is exactly plain text and what is ciphertext. So plain text is nothing but the message as it is, the message as it is. So whenever a particular sender is sending a message, the message there is no the message is as it is. There is no change. There is no change in the content of the message. So that is plain text. Now let's see what is ciphertext. Ciphertext, that means the message is not as it is. For a particular character, we are referring another character. Let's say here H, for H I am using A, for I am using B, for H again small h I'm using some different characters, O for different characters, for W I'm using 8, R T for RT, and U for EC. So ciphertext, that means the message is not as it is, the message is encrypted. That is nothing but a ciphertext. So let's see what is substitution techniques, different substitution techniques. Okay, so here the substitution technique, you can there is a particular table referred, that means for H we are referring A, I for I we are referring Z, for O we are referring as W, Y, R, G, U, H. So this is substitution techniques. For a particular character we are replacing another character. So by this substitution technique, so whenever we are converting a plain text message into ciphertext, we are referring, for a particular character we are referring different characters. So it is very difficult for the intruder to detect the message. So whenever the detector and intruder get the content of the message, the intruder cannot get the exact pattern due to that substitution technique pattern. Now we'll see what is the transposition techniques, different transposition techniques. First one is rel fence techniques. So in this rel fence technique, you can see here, let's say the message is come home tomorrow. So here in rel fence technique, the message is like this, come home tomorrow. So in that case, come home tomorrow. So COMEHOMETOMOROW. So here we are in diagonal manner, we are writing the message. Come COMEHOMETOMOROW. And ciphertext, how we are converting? We are taking first row as it is, and after that first row we are taking the second row as it is. So here the message is converted into ciphertext like this: CMHMTMROOEOE triple OW. So this is a ciphertext. So due to this technique, basically it's very difficult for the intruder to attack on the plain text message. So the technique is simply we have to write the message in a diagonal manner, COMEHOMETO, and we have to read row by one row, first row by row, first row, second row, to make the message very difficult for the attack. So this is the rel fence technique, due to which the message detection for the intruder is getting very difficult. So this is the transmission technique, that is rel fence technique. Now next is simple columnar transposition techniques. So what is this simple columnar transposition techniques? We'll see. So here we are writing the message. So come home tomorrow. Come home tomorrow. So I'm writing COMEHOM first row, and ETOMOR in second row, and OW in a third row. Now after writing this message in row by row manner, I'm just reading for ciphertext. I'm referring column 1, I'm referring column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7, like this, and I'm writing the message as for ciphertext. I'm writing the message as CEOOTWMOHOORMR. So this is simple column transposition techniques. So write the simple technique, write the message as it is row by row, and read the message in a column manner. So the column manner is not fixed one. column manner is not fixed, and you can take first, second, third, or you can take first column, third column, fourth column. So it is depends on the sender and the receiver what column policy they are applying. So due to this column position, column techniques, it is very difficult to for the intruder to attack on the message. So these are the different techniques, cryptographic techniques which we are using for making the plain text message more secure. So simple columnar, due to the simple columnar message, again it is very difficult for the intruder. So this is all about the different transmission techniques.